Well, perhaps one of the most striking developments from the coronavirus outbreak has been how companies in Indiana, all over the state, have stepped up, pivoted away from their normal business models to completely new operations. Automakers shifting to manufacturing ventilators, high-tech communications companies delivering much-needed supplies to healthcare workers, many other examples as well. Our Business of Health reporter Kylie Veleta is in Greenwood via Skype right now. She joins us now with more on how Hoosier businesses are doing their part. Kylie.
That's right, Gary. It is a all-hands-on-deck approach to help healthcare workers protect themselves and to help the virus from spreading. For example, General Motors and medical equipment maker Ventec are speeding up efforts to build ventilators at the GM plant in Kokomo. GM says it has arranged for the supply of 95% of the parts it needs to start production. Reuters is reporting sources familiar with the plans say the goal is to build up to 200,000 ventilators, with production beginning within the next 2 to 3 weeks. In Indianapolis, NEXVOO is shifting its resources from providing video-enhanced communications products to shipping FDA-certified N95 mask supplies to healthcare workers around the country. NEXVOO operates a healthcare factory in China and plans on sending more than 1 million units to the U.S. The company says the masks will be limited to healthcare facilities and will be on a first-come, first-served basis. PARKVIEW Health in Fort Wayne is getting help from businesses and volunteers to make sure they don't have a shortage of personal protective equipment. PARKVIEW is working with hospital laundry services to make cloth masks, which could be used as backups to their main supply. The masks will include nose pieces that were donated and fabricated by Ray Magnet Wire in Fort Wayne and Schlemmer Brothers Metal Fabrication in Wabash. Community volunteers are also making new sheet masks, which could be used for patients and visitors. And in Merrillville, TRADEWINDS Services is responding to the crisis by ramping up production of disposable masks and gowns. The nonprofit provides services for children and adults with physical and mental disabilities through vocational training. TRADEWINDS clients are now creating gowns and masks for hospitals, fire departments, and police stations in Lake and Porter counties. The goal is to make 30,000 to 50,000 items per month. And as we reported last week, Eli Lilly started its drive-through COVID testing for healthcare workers this week and very recently expanded it also to first responders. Gary, back to you.
Really great to see, Kylie. Great report. Thanks very much. Kylie Veleta in Greenwood via Skype this week.